Okay, so the HDR generator is this seedable random number generator, cross-platform. It can be used in Excel, in R, in Python. What we're driving at here is when you start aggregating simulations, you got two different projects that people are adding together, the results of two different projects, and they inadvertently got the seeds set the same so that each exploration site always discovers oil on the same trial. That would be a mess. The other thing is, there are times when you want them to use the same seed. So, for example, I'm simulating the price of oil. Well, the price of oil is the same, the world round. So if one guy is at the 75th percentile of the price distribution, then all the other projects should be at that. So we now have an HDR settings button. And we got three more seeds. One, an entity ID for either a company or a department within a company. And I'm going to show you how I use those. So I'm just going to do a little simulation. I have variables over here. Think of this as a template in which all departments get the same template, and they just have to fill things out. And I want to make sure that our IDs don't collide. Okay, so I've got 5 time periods, 5 variables. Now I'm going to initialize my model. And in this case, I'm just going to generate uniform random variables because I can use them in other places. So it is really good practice. So look, I selected all of these cells. Go up here, go to uniform, go to advanced HDR. The start variable ID is my old variable ID, and I'll pick those. My project ID is over there. My time ID, I pick these 5. I click OK. And now it's always important to test this. If I change that number to a 4, then those two columns would be the same. And if I change this variable ID to a 2, then those two columns, I'm in great shape. Now I save this, and now I'm going to make a new one, but I'm a different project manager. I'm doing project 2. Boom, new set of numbers. I'm doing project 7654321. Boom, new set of numbers. Slick, huh?